morning. It's 6:30 a.m. in Los Angeles. We are now officially headed over to LAX airport to catch our flight to Hawaii.
We have Tere. So pretty. Lux. Hi.
I like her head. Mama D.
Yeah, Mama D. This is our roll call. Roll call.
You do $3? You only need $3?
I think, yeah.
Thank you, Holly.
Okay. What colors do you guys want?
I like
Do you want one of these?
I want one with a little bit of like yellow orange in it for the border.
There's this one. You like that one?
Yes. But you guys gotta lay each other.
I was literally gonna say, what time is it? What time is it?
It's late.
Time to get laid. Okay, now you gotta do her.
Okay. We're on it. Okay, make sure you're in it. And
So pretty.
welcome to Hawaii, where all your dreams will come true.
Oh, that came out cute.
I am in Hawaii. I just got laid. Right like that. I'm here with Jasmine, Teresa, we got Lexi Boo, we all just got laid.
This is VIP service.
Okay, what is it? Oh god.
Oh god. Yeah, it works. I feel like, remember when we were kids and we'd be in the wagon?
I feel like it's gonna break.
Aloha!
All right, we have arrived in Honolulu. We rented a car through Turo. And look how cool. Her license plate says Asiana. So we didn't think this through. There's 0 space in the trunk. So we have all our suitcases. Tetris scene, like the game Tetris over here.
Update, you missed our lunch, but now we're getting in our Uber XL, which is a minivan in Hawaii. Yeah! And Teddy's missing out on dinner because he had his beauty sleep.
I got a business to take care of.
Oh, well, earlier though. Here we go. What are we laughing at, ladies?
Subliminal. We called a lot worse than that.
We have dinner reservations this evening at Sky Waikiki, which is a rooftop bar and restaurant. There we go. We're at top of Waikiki, you guys. Join me inside. Everybody hear what I say?
Update, dinner's done.
No, it's listening.
We're gonna go out, but we had an early dinner, so nothing opens till 10:30. I think we're just gonna go back to the casita, go crazy. If you guys want to join.
If you guys want to join after the video is posted.
I think that's it. What do you have to say, Tere? Bust down, Asiana.
Hey, get it, go.
Bust it. Bust. To the scenery, aesthetic. Straight out of our bungalow villa, we have direct access to the beach. Come walk with us. Oh. Well, nice.
Probably get out of here. Nice.
Voila. Magic. So I got this one coconut water for Teresa, and this is the receipt.
For one water. Let me get out of it. From in the background.
Hey.
All right.
I don't know why the chicken crossed the
So we literally just had to run across this road, and there's cars turning the bend. I think we're gonna die. All to go get a photo at this cliff over here somewhere. But these are the things we do. Okay, so we had to literally cross this road, and there's cars everywhere. We're risking our lives just for this special photo for you guys. Okay, and we have to go down this. What is this? I don't know, you guys. Yeah. Look at what we're going through. Just to get, this is what we models do in order to get a photo.
You're welcome, subscribers.
I know. Tell them again, look.
You're welcome, subscribers.
You're welcome, subscribers. For his behind the scene photos we about to get on this cliff over here, look.
Bro.
What the fuck?
Bro. What is this? What is this? I am not wearing
He didn't tell us we're hiking boots.
not wearing the proper
I think I need both hands. I think so too. Wait, okay, I'm gonna have to turn off the vlogging camera. Okay, I gotta climb. I gotta climb and work. Okay, you guys ready? We're still vlogging. At least if I fall, at least that'll make for a good vlog. have y'all laughing?
You and Cherie DeVille, like y'all, like I have to unfollow you on Twitter. It's nothing personal. It's just really awkward.
She said I have to unfollow you on Twitter because when I try to open your Twitter on public places, yeah, it starts moaning and groaning and sucking and squishy noises.
so awkward opening up my friend's Twitter in public.
Or snaps, like my girlfriends already know, don't answer my personal snaps that I send them in front of people. They'll be like, bitch, I'll be in my DMs and be like, oh, I'm with my mom, don't answer hers.
We're lost.
We literally lost them. And I can't even hear them.
Yo!
The fuck, where'd they go? Yoo-hoo!
feel like DJ Khaled on the jet ski.
Jasmine!
I'm lost.
Jasmine! How did they not hear
Bro,
us?
where'd they go?
Okay, there's a cave down here, you guys.
My subscription rate is about to
We're raising our subscription rate, you guys. Fuck y'all. There is people in there. Oh my god. How did we miss them? How did we miss them? Let's just try to get down the hill. You guys, we just raised our prescription rates because of liability issues just to shoot the shit. Just for this one particularly. Whew. I'm sweating, you guys. How you doing, Lux?
not as good as I thought I was doing, to be honest. I'm trying to keep my flip-flops on, trying to keep my ass top side up. I'm sweating.
I'm sweating as fuck too.
I'm sweating.
I have like drops of sweat.
Over there, they went into the cave. They're right there. No.
Look, there's a cave, you guys.
Okay.
They didn't even say they're going in there. Look.
This is where
That's what we came in through, but because we were so busy talking to y'all, we missed this whole fucking cave that they made a U-turn in. Okay, so we're coming in, you guys.
Here we go.
Yo, this is...
Oh my god, please be careful.
Oh yeah, look. Oh, it's going somewhere. They're all out. They just left us. What the hell? They didn't even check on us. What if we fell and like went down some hole?
What if we kept going?
No, right?
Kept going. That's amazing.
Ooh, this is cool, dude. Look.
Oh, you didn't bring your flash.
Oh, fuck, man. Oh, I didn't think we were fucking going in caves to die. my whole life's about to flash in front of my eyes right now.
This is like...
I feel like I'm in the Goonies. Yeah, this is what we're doing just to get photos. Model life.
Oh, fuck.
Private Snapchat life. Yo, we were screaming for you guys. We lost you guys. How? What do you mean? We kept hiking forward. Nobody lost us.
Update. Not our original plan location, second one like I said. What's that one movie with fucking Tom Hanks and the volleyball?
Castaway.
We're Castaway right now. Find cover! Find cover. So we found cover in this little rock. Yeah. And Teresa wants some photos, videos here, so we're gonna try it out. We're gonna fuck it up. Round two. This is the outfit. Look, we coordinated because you can't clash. Like, for real, for real. Oh, you coordinated. UTV tour.
For your protection
Oh, there we go.
and the protection of your passengers, helmets.
What size is that? Small? Medium one. No, that's a small one.
Guess I'm wearing a large one, you guys.
Ninja Warrior. Alright, guys.
We are UTV riding, and they are out of ATVs, so we cannot do ATV riding, which I don't know. Look at all the ATVs. And they were like, oh yeah, there's no more ATVs available. Here we go. We got Lex over here driving. Yes. Jasmine backseat in case of injuries. And then we have Teresita over here. She knows CPR.
I really do though.
We're fully ready for this ride. Here we go.
Go.
Mahalo! Hey! We got our special drink over here, you guys. Special drink ready to go. Cute. Backwards, our friends.
Where? Where are they?
Go.
Go look, bud. Bring your cameras out.
No, go. You gotta drive.
What drive?
Yeah, go. You have to drive over there. They flipped? Shut the fuck up.
No way.
Gang.
Ronnie, what happened? No.
It's flipped over. Go look.
Because we were worried about our friends. Okay, all right.
Oh my God. Well, we have to jump in with us, no? Are you guys okay?
What y'all think about that?
Are you okay?
I want to go see it.
I mean, they look like they're okay. How did they not get hurt at all? How did they go down?
I know. I'm gonna go take a video of it.
We came out there like a champ, bro.
It's not cool, bro.
No, I'm just saying that we came out
killed
like
everybody.
a champ, bro. Cause look how deep the ditch is, my nigga.
No, if those trees weren't there, you would have been dead.
We caught a skid right there. You see our tires kind of, we came inside. The brakes didn't work.
Oh, y'all get that jump? No, it ain't no jump. Brakes don't work.
Oh shit, that's crazy. Yo, our friend's fucking Jeep flip.
Right before this happened, I put my seatbelt strap behind me. I was like, yeah.
Dude, how are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling alive.
That's fucking scary. Are you okay?
I'm good.
I'm like, are you guys okay?
Wear your seatbelts.
That's scary as
Always
fuck.
breaks and scratches.
Okay, so the group of friends that we're with, one of the UTVs actually flipped off the cliff and they were rolling down. Thank God there was trees after trees after trees that stopped them, but they're alive. But now the owner of this ranch, there's like 3 like Jeeps of us, won't let the rest of us go up to continue the tour because we're with them. So now we lost our tour and we gotta go all the way back now to the fucking front. This is bullshit, dude. We literally are really upset right now. So we're gonna miss our tour now because our friends flipped their UTVs over. They're like Jeeps. But shit, just grateful our friends are alive. Shit's scary, dude. You never know. You never know. On a fucking vacation, you could lose your life. Be grateful. God is good. We're all safe. We're gonna vibrate from a high place of gratitude, and our friends are alive. That's a blessing. There's so much dirt from the UTV. We call this the stripper rack.
Bust down, Asiana.
That tequila got me.
It's been emotional. It's been really real. We're out.
Alright, that's it. This is the end of Hawaii vlog. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment for my next vlog. See you guys later.